Melbourne loves its trams. They're iconic, they connect communities, and they are part of our identity. This week, leaders are inviting people to celebrate diversity on a tram.
Culture connects us all, so there's nothing better than travelling on a tram that is so uniquely Melbourne, so iconic, and that connects us all.
But look at the map. Trams in the north, trams in the east, trams in the south. Now look at the west. Not a single tram line. It stops in Footscray. And here's the real question for the loyal Labour voters of the West. Since 1999, Labour has owned every single electorate in Melbourne's West. In 2002, all. In 2006, all. In 2010, all. In 2014, all. In 2018, all. In 2022, all. Every single seat, again and again, for more than 26 years, the entire West. Yet, after all that loyalty, the West still doesn't have a single tram. The West is one of the most culturally diverse parts of Victoria. Hundreds of thousands of people, dozens of communities. If trams are about connecting communities, then it's time the West was connected too. Melbourne's West deserves trams, not someday, now.
It's coming to cover me.